Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to set up Firebase Crashlytics into Unity. So let's begin. First of all, let's create a project in Firebase console. Then let's add a name for it and continue and enable the Google Analytics for this project if you want. It's recommended, by the way. You can continue, then default account Firebase, then create project, and that's it. Project is created, and let's create an app within it. Click on Unity and register the app. Register as Android app. Click onto it, and let's get the package name for our app. Go there and in player settings, then other settings, other settings, and check and uncheck if you have changed your product name or whatever. Just copy and paste it right there, and Android app, you can name it anything. For now let it be Firebase, and let's download the JSON file. Next, then drag it into assets. I have kept it in here just like that. You can put wherever in the assets, and let's download SDK for it. Let's click on continue, and next steps you can refer the documentation if you want, and done. That's it. We have done with our Firebase setup, and you can click on Crashlytics. It haven't been enabled yet because you can see in the interface just like that. Add SDK. If you see add SDK, it haven't been implemented into your app. Now this is a basic project with some buttons, with a single button and a background. I created an empty script for it, and let's import the Firebase Crashlytics package just like that. After extracting, you will get these options, and click on all and import. Might take some time though, and imported. Let's click on the script. Let's create scripting. Okay, initialize Crashlytics, which we will get from the documentation. Just copy it. Let's copy this too and paste it there. Paste it there. Okay, that's done. Everything looks good. Let's debug.log for successfully initialized, and that should be it. This is the line which reports the uncaught exceptions and other things. And let's create some button functions for it. Crash me button, and let's just throw an exception, because as far as I know that it's not possible to crash the app on our own in Unity. So let's do this. This should work, guys. And you can do this as well, for custom exceptions kind of stuff. You can look into the documentation for more. Just do a dummy which is not which won't be used for you, I guess. You can look into the documentation. This is just a dummy one I created. You can put it in the exception blocks in try statement. This is just, I don't know why I did this, but if you're sure about it gives error, you can put it in try block and catch with exception E, and you can report it into the Crashlytics by using that method, log exception method. Let's create a duplicate key for that, and that's it. Let's assign the Crashlytics functions for the buttons. That should be it. The basic part is done of implementing Crashlytics. Let's just go to Android resolve, and might see some error though. Okay, I'm not sure if you get this error. If you get this error, let's fix it. You just need to check the manifest file and settings template file in other settings of that, and okay, just check and uncheck JDK, SDK, all the stuff. Check and uncheck. I mean, uncheck and check, and it should work now. Really, if it doesn't work, you can like close the Unity and then open it. Then check and uncheck and check the all those stuffs as I mentioned, and re-import if you want. If it doesn't work, re-import, then forced resolve. It should work. Definitely, it should work. Okay, that warning is like some conflicts were found. It resolved, so it's successful. And let's play it. It does work. Initialize successfully, and database URL. You don't worry about that. It won't make any problem for us. Refresh. Let me put down my device. Build and run. I'm sure this should work though. If you're stuck in like iPost Gradle or something like that, you just need to cancel. If it's not possible, just need to force quit by using Task Manager. And then you need to do one thing, like you need to delete the library file if you can, and then if it still doesn't work, you need to delete the library file. It should work then. Just check and uncheck. Mostly this will fix the problem by checking and unchecking this stuff. Yeah, it fixed for me. Let me see once again. Yeah, it does work. It does work in my phone, as you can see here. Let me just crash it. I press both the buttons, which I don't think it's visible for you, I guess. Anyway, I pressed multiple times, which should crash, which should throw some exceptions. And let's go to the Crashlytics. It's showing. It won't take much time to show in the Crashlytics in the Firebase console. You can also see the line number of it as well, just like that, where the crash did happen, and you can see the code of which mostly it will show the code. Yeah, that's it. I think that's done for Crashlytics. If you have any doubts or anything regarding this, you can comment it down, and yeah, subscribe.